We are live, ladies and gents. Ladies and gents, smash the like, subscribe to this channel, the best channel in the world, in the galaxy. Drop a like, get yourself a cup of coffee, start the Monday, start the new week. We're gonna talk Bitcoin. Good morning, Mr. Groven is in the house, happy from the trades printing. Our trades are printing. Woohoo! And the bootcamp is coming, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the bootcamp. We have the link below and the QR code on the left top corner. Subscribe to the bootcamp will change your life completely. Let's look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is, in my opinion, again, in my opinion, we know it's in a range. Okay, it's in a range. Some people will say top down, some people will say it's in a consolidation before another leg up. Me, I'm waiting. Okay, I'm actually more bearish. I think it topped again. I think, but it doesn't matter what I think. My thinking, it doesn't matter. Then it doesn't affect my trading. Okay, the way I trade is I long altcoins once Bitcoin is bouncing from support. You can see a nice bounce from support, long wick here with another one here. Okay, looks like a nice double bottom here, kinda ish, from this important level 103, 104, and the 200 DMA drop below the 200 and bouncing back up above the 200. I'm expecting a bounce for Bitcoin. We have CPI on Friday. We'll see how it will affect the market. You can get a rally into the CPI and then maybe even a continuation after the CPI. And then we'll see the FOMC at the end of the month. And then we'll see, are they going to send it or dump it? Or maybe it's going to top out before that, or maybe it's going to break out before that. We don't know. All we know now, short term, we are bullish crypto and we long altcoins. Again, specific altcoins, not your altcoins. Your altcoins are cooked, doomed. They're cooked. They're done. They're topped. they're topped. All altcoins, your altcoins. You are the one that watching. If you're not in the membership, coins are cooked toast, man. Toast. Absolutely cooked. Okay. So we trade very, very carefully now. Again, we're expecting a lower high here at some point. And by the way, I'll show you something that I'm watching. Smash the like. We give you the best alpha, the best precise alpha. If you look here inside this range, all right, you can see you have chop and then you have a bounce. Okay, you had multiple bounces pretty much since the summer. Okay, you had this bounce that was amazing. Make anything. Okay? You're just gonna look bearish coins. Only a few knows how to trade these bounces. Okay, now then you had this bounce here. That was as well amazing time to trade crypto. Here, that bounce was amazing time to trade crypto in the end of September. Amazing. We had more than 100% gainers in a day. We have three or four trades like that. Insane. Sent our accounts to the moon. And now we're expecting another one like this. Now, how long the bounce will happen, I don't know. But mark on your calendar. This Friday, CPI. Next Wednesday, I believe, the FOMC. These are two events. If you get a big bounce into it, might mark the top for these bounces. Okay, you can see this bounce was, what was that? 11 days, okay, window of opportunity altcoins. Again, these are all windows of opportunity because once it's rolling over, your altcoins are getting cooked, smoked, rugged, going to zero. Okay, then they recover. Then they go to zero. Most continue going on their way to zero, while some making significant moves. Same here. A bounce, that was a bounce of how much? How many days? That was actually a long bounce, 20 days bounce. This bounce was 12 days, 12. So we have 12, 20, and we have this lady baby here, 12 days here as well. Okay, now also as it topping out, altcoins are still pumping, but once it drop, Once it dropped here, that was it. Okay, so the bounce on Bitcoin, it depends how it's topping out, and still as it's topping out, some altcoins can print, but once it dropped, that's it. So again, this bounce again around 12 to like 13, 15 days. Okay, so on average we have like 12, 15 days of a bounces. If you look on the last range here of Bitcoin, we believe we are in another window of opportunity now. And that's why, my friend, that's why you want to join our VIP. Yes. This is the VIP. It will change your life from miserable to legendary. You can join and ask our friends in the VIP how they are blingy on every Bitcoin bounce. They trade other bangers that shock their world. So yeah. Make sure to smash the likes. Leave a comment, man. Man up and leave a comment. Man up, leave a comment and like the video. Woohoo. Okay, let's continue here. So what do we have here? We look on Bitcoin. Yeah, so we believe we're getting now a window of opportunity of a bounce, okay, to make some blingy on altcoins. Yes. Nice window of opportunity is coming for crypto. Very nice. We'll see if it can break above the 50-day. That will be very bullish. If it break above the 100-day, come on, boy. The 100-day as well around the 115, it will be very nice. We'll see if it can do that. Might actually get rejection here. Maybe it will be choppy, come down, and then bounce from here, to chop more people, and then we will see. We will be here trading it, covering it, always till the end, my friend, till the end. BTC DOM, rubbish, man, rubbish. BTC DOM is absolute rubbish. There is no edge in it at the moment. It's just, if you look at it now, it's just going up at the moment from here. Again, you had a big big altcoin season on Ethereum hype from the summer, but since then Ethereum become a little up, really going up, aggressively, but it's in a little short-term uptrend since for already 40 days. So 40 days of a uptrend here. Let's look on the momentum here. Then you get a cross up, which is not good. You get a cross up on the momentum, which is not good. Okay, the last alt season here, the real alt season that people looking at, from last cycle, and they expect that all the baboons down of the dominance non-stop. You can see non-stop, and you had a cross up down from the low, from the highs here, all the way down, and to stay bearish for many months. Okay, like 4 months. Here you had a cross up from here, then lower high, you got the dump, but now you get a cross up, which happened here. They had a cross up that was actually in the summer, in the bear market. So again, I don't know, man. The Bitcoin dominance is actually a very faulty chart these days. Altcoins are just pathetic. It is what it is. Altcoins are just pathetic, and Bitcoin is massive. So every little move on Bitcoin completely crashed them. And yeah, it have no edge. Only when Ethereum or XRPs are moving, you get little altcoin strength that you can see on the dominance. Yeah, you can trade based on it. But generally speaking, this cycle, you had only one clear moment that you could trade on the Bitcoin dominance dumping, which was here in July on the Ethereum season and here in November 2024 on the XRP beautiful pump on November. That was it. Okay, now since then, people that look at it, and actually use it as a trading indicator or a edge, they are baboons, absolute baboons, pathetic losers. It is what it is, man. I look at it, for fun, but I don't trade based on it. I trade altcoins, individual altcoins, when they're ready to pump. Looking at last time the dominance collapsed, it did something similar and then collapsed. I don't know, I just show you the stochastic RSI, the weekly, what happened to the dominance now relative to comparing to last alt season, last cycle. It's not the same. The Moon Boys comparing this altcoin phase for the one of 2021, and it's not the same, man. It's not the same. The dominance is not the same, not picturing the same picture, which is concerning, Hey CM, thoughts on Zora? Let's look on Zora. Guys, smash the like, subscribe, drop a comment, drop a question. We wrap it up shortly. People are sick and boring, so we're gonna do something else with our life. Let's look on Zora. Zora is a scam, man. I'm telling you, Zora is a scam. Look how it's moving. It's a pump and dump scheme. You can see this volatile. Look at this. Look at this. You don't need to be a genius, an engineer, a rocket engineer to understand this is a scam. It's a coin for babies. Okay, not for me. My traders, my VIPs, we don't trade this kind of rubbish. Why we don't trade this kind of rubbish? Look at this. You had a pump here, yeah. Oh yeah, wow, 120%. Woohoo! Then it went all the way down. See that? All the way down. All the way down. In what is it, like 8-hour candle? Let's look on the 4-hour candle. In a 4-hour candle, you got liquidated. Then it bounced again, chop you to pieces. Now this volatile move, you can see this is up 60, down 20, untradable rubbish. It's on my radar if it's gonna maybe squeeze here, but this I don't like. This I don't like. So even if I'm gonna trade it, I'm not gonna put my lovely, beautiful capital in it. I'm gonna put like my gambling money, not my lovely capital. We look to make safely our why and build our future from crypto trading, whether it's long or short. We're looking for the best trades, the best assets. This is not an asset. This is a pump and dump crap shit. It is what it is, my friend. If you can't see it in your eyes, you are cooked. Again, don't trade this crap, man. Stop trading this crap. Let me show you a few trades we took recently, man. While people are losing all their wealth and we are still in a bull market. Let me show you a few trades, man. Where is this baby? Look at this trade. This was H. October 13, bought it at 82 cents. Look at H, man. H USDT. Do I have a little new one here? Okay. This was our entry. Right here, 82 cents. All our members bought it, printed 140%, blink, blink, blink. Your coins doing nothing. Now look, this was the Bitcoin dump, okay? Obviously dumped on it, consolidated, and look what happened. And guess what happened here? We bought again yesterday. Let me find the trade. Give me a second. Where is my trades, man? I have so many trades recently since yesterday. Show you my trade on H. Where is this baby boy? There he is. You can see H, October 19th, yesterday. Look at that. Buy now, price was 1.2. You can see after the sell-off, it sold off. Okay, bottomed out, kinda. We saw there was like an edge. Bought it at 121. Look at that. Boom, hit all our targets. Hit all our targets here, 121. Man, that's how you print ROI. You trade the market leaders. We had like a 50% pump yesterday, on H. Now we're still. I think we bought some more today. Yeah, we bought some more today, a little bit on that dip. Maybe it will, it's the, it's our new cash cow, H. H, cash cow, 150, another 50, and we have a position. Let's see if it's gonna rip higher. Show you another trade we took, man. Soon, we bought it at 40. Look at Soon. Look at Soon. Bought it here at 40. No one knew what is Soon when we bought it. No one knew what the F it is. It's still no one knows what it's Soon. Who is Soon and what they are doing and who the F are they and blah, blah, blah. Look at that. Max gains, we had on it 140%. Then it went a bit higher. 160% gains on the runner. Max gains. Well, guess what? Guess what happened yesterday, sir? Sir, and guess what happened yesterday? Where is my Soon trade? So where is Soon, man? Look at Soon from yesterday. Yesterday, you can see October 19th by the break of 869. Look at Soon. Show you the breakout. It was a breakout on the 1 hourly. You can see right here. 869. Right here, man. Look at the textbook timing, man. We are pros, man. We're professionals. See? See the difference? See? Bam. 20% easy money. Boom. And we added more on the dip. I actually shared an elite VIP trade for the dip buy. Again, some trades I share only with the elite. Most of the 95% of the trade I share with my VIP. Some trades I share with my elite. That's why they pay much more than regular people. And also for better, better service. But you can see what we're doing, man. Man, we got Soon. We had the H. We had Jelly. Look at Jelly, man. Look at Jelly as well. We took some Jelly. Jelly, look at the Jelly. By the break of 573, October 3rd. Look at Jelly, man. All in October. October, man. All these crypto bros, they just losing money while we making very lovely ROI. Actually, the best month of the year for me. You can see that was our entry here, 5-7 something. Bam. Another double. See, we had 3 coins that went more than a double in a day in October, and October didn't end yet. You understand? That's the difference between people, regular people, baboons, and us, that we are traders. Look at the horizon. Let's look on horizon. See another probably a rubbish coin. I think it's called Zen. It's an old garbage. Might be a good, if you are like bullish on this crap, yeah. But look at this, man. Look at this. Yeah. If you want to take some, add coins, bigger chart. Sorry about that. My laptop. Oh, look, man, it might pump, but it is now still under its 200 week MA and 50 week MA. I put it on my radar. Maybe, maybe crypto will go for a big blow off move. Maybe, and this will pump. Who knows? I put it on the radar, Mr. Zen. But I have other plays that look much more likely to explode. So for me, it's not my cup of tea, man. Not my cup of tea. By the way, ladies and gents, to everybody that want to become professional and stop being a baboon loser and everything in this bull market and doing the bear is like, it's going to be horrible. If you're not making anything now, oh boy, the bear is going to humble you. It's going to take everything you have and some. You're going to be left alone in the dark, working in McDonald's. Everybody will leave. Even your dog will leave you, man. The bear will completely humble you. If you don't want to get to this situation, check out the Crypto Endgame Bootcamp, where we're going to teach you how to trade crypto in the last phase of the bull. And also, we're going to prepare you for the bear, a little bit preparation for the bear, how to short, how to long. We'll give you a list of the best coins to long in the next couple of weeks into the end of the cycle, and a list of the best coins to short once the bear will trigger. So you're going to be ready. You're going to be ready because once the bear will trigger, it's going to be an amazing opportunity for easy ROI for people that know how to short. If you don't know how to short, you're going to lose everything. Easy, simple as that. Get yourself the bootcamp, man. You have the coupon code run below Endgame 25 for 25% off. And we'll see you. I think it's happening this Wednesday. See you there. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, drop a question now. I'm getting bored. Drop a question now. You see, Johan Peters, another lifetime member. Elite, I think he's the elite. Amazing trades this month, legendary trades this month. See, people happy people. Happy people. Look on more coin. Let's look on Zebec, because people are so bullish on Zebec. And we need to tell them that Zebec is in a critical moment. Actually good. Again, for me, if it breaks out, I'm buying the F out of it. Okay, if it breaks that uptrend, that downward trend, I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna buy, and I'm gonna buy more, and I'm gonna buy more. If it happens, if it's gonna break down, I'm gonna short it. Okay, if it breaks that level, I'm gonna short it. Because for me, it doesn't matter. It goes up or down. For me, it's a trade. If there is a trade, I'm taking it. I don't give an F about the coin. I don't give an F about the founders, the project, all the blah blah rubbish. Ooh, I'll show you some X. Let's look at the X nonsense, man. What's going on, man, over there? Okay, so this guy is saying outflows, ETF spots, 1 billion.2. And Bitcoin ETF. Second, BTC, this guy is a perma bull. BTC crashed to 103K. We had real people saying we were in a bear market. Yep, you're gonna get humbled. This guy will get humbled. The gladiator market will cook him for sure. Says 0.1 Bitcoin will be worth an absolute fortune. Top signal. That's a top signal. 0.1 Bitcoin will be worth fortune. If this guy says fortune, this is the son of a billionaire, Trump. So probably he's talking about 0.1 will be around 1 million, I don't know. Anyway, that's a top signal. This guy is saying the market will exhaust you before it rewards you. Build. Correct, sir. Correct. It will exhaust you, sir, because you are really a baby boy. But not me. No. Yeah, you have periods, but now it's the best time. Now it's the volatility time. Once it triggers there, it's going to be a short party. Bitcoin bounce, it's going to be a very strong altcoin runs. That's the best time to trade. Ooh, this as well is a top signal. This clown is calling for 1 million Bitcoin. The Coinbase CEO, you don't need to buy a full Bitcoin ETH to get started. You can start buying a few dollars. It's never too late. Usually when they say it's never too late, it is dead late, and that's the top. Oh boy, oh boy. This guy. Hey, let's look on the stuff. What do we have here? Institutions are turning bullish. 67% of institutional investors expect Bitcoin to rise in the next 3 to 6 months. Ooh, they expect Bitcoin to rise in the next 3-4 year cycle. More bearish. Look, where is this chart? They completely ignore this bad boy trend line. They ignore, but we will not be screwed, man. We're ready for the bear, man. Oh boy, this is, they're calling for insane valuation, more 3 months, 6 months. All I see is a big top forming. For me, as long as it's below this, the top is in. If it breaks above it, okay, maybe we'll go higher. But as long as it's below it, risk of downside increasing, my friend. The bubble will pop. The bubble is about to pop. What do we have here? You're legit, bro. I like how straightforward you are. Keep up the good work. Yes, sir. We are true. And we will see, man. You will see, Mr. Jimenez, that we're gonna be the only one surviving. All your moon boys that you know or watch from time to time, they're gonna disappear, man, in a couple of months' time. In 2026, we're gonna be the only one that is doing some videos, here and there, because, obviously we're also gonna, press on the brakes a little bit because, still we have life to do. We're gonna be busy shorting. Thank you, man. Thank you. BTC will go up, to 26K in 2026 and make Saylor work in McDonald's. Yes, sir. Exactly. He will. He will, man. The MSTR chart. Let's look on MSTR chart and wrap it up. MSTR chart, in my opinion, this is the mic crypto. Not over yet, but it's gonna be a bloodbath. I think MSTR already topped out. See the top? This is the monthly chart. Look at this. Blow off top here and a lower high on June 2025. On stochastic RSI nosediving, triple bearish divergence. This stock is cooked. This stock is cooked. And what's funny, a lot of people are bullish on strategy. They're bullish on it. They're buying, and what are you buying, man? And it triggered a bear market. Our basic bearish as F. And for the stock, for this stock, what? Is there a coin like this, or you making a naughty boy here? Oh, let's see. I don't find this coin. Maybe you're making a little baby boy joke, which is not polite. We're gonna put. Okay, what's that? Ooh, all right, guys. Drop a question now if you have. If not, I'm gonna go hit the gym or something. What gold is doing? Ooh, now they are calling for the gold top and the money to be rotated into Bitcoin. We will see. Gold looks a bit toppy. Let's look on dollar. VIX. S&P, 4 hours. Looks like you get a bounce. Bitcoin bouncing, very nice. All right, to sum it up, we're looking for a window of opportunity now in crypto, and that's the best time really to join our membership, man. The membership, $1 soon. Kaspa, yeah, right. Really, that's the best time to join our membership. You have the link here. That's the link. Change your life, man. We are now a window of opportunity. We have banging trades now, going up in value, longs. We're going to trade them. Once Bitcoin top out, roll over, we're going to short our short candidates. We have a list of coins that we're going to short. That's how we move with the market. Bitcoin roll over, we short altcoins. Bitcoin bottoming out for short-term bounce, we long altcoins. Get a seat in our VIP, sir. In the crypto market, there is nothing like that. Nothing comes near it. No one come near our little pinky. Nobody. You have no idea what you're missing. Try it out. You can try it for 1 month, try it for 4